Mini Ashe family. This is Cosmic Shaman Red. Namaste. Yep, I see you on the cosmic tapestry of truth and healing. Oh yeah, here we go again. Just out here getting some of this nature, some of these solar light codes. Make sure you take the time out in your day to get outside, get some sun salutations in. Make sure you ground yourself. Make sure you allow that sun to touch your skin. I know there's a lot of things out here in tech and in what we can do, but nature is always your best medicine. Mini Ashe, love and light to all living beings here on Terra. Peace.